As we wrap up this 30-day series of serviced accommodation training, I want to come on to the final piece, which is how we can be stronger together. How in numbers we can build empires bigger than you have ever imagined. And that is my vision for the Luke Stays franchise model that I have created, allowing short-term rental hosts or entrepreneurs looking to get started scale using a trusted brand and focusing on only acquiring property, not having to deal with the operational side of it. Now, you remember across the series, we've talked about all the different pitfalls, all the different problems that you will face. We've shown you how to acquire property en masse. We've given you all the strategies and tactics to get more direct bookings into your properties. And I've also shown you how you can systemize and process your business. Now, you've got to put all the pieces of the puzzle together. And you've got to get out there and do the 10x activity, and you've got to make it all work. However, by being stronger together and coming into a Luke Stays franchise, that is all done for you. It's on a plate. Remember, we talked about going down the wrong rabbit hole. Focusing huge amounts of energy in the wrong direction is going to no doubt slow your progress down, or even worse, have a negative effect. What we have created at Luke Stays here is a franchise that you can get involved with, where you are constantly acquiring property for cash flow. Remember, that is the golden rule of this business. And you are not having to bother with the operations because it's all done for you. We also do all the marketing for you. We generate leads. We give you deals on a plate. We help you set your properties up. We give you the interior design, and we give you that trust brand marketing. You get to get the iPrac logo from day one. You get to get the master website that has all the trust signals on to increase your booking rates. Only yesterday, one of our franchisees launched their first property, which, by the way, they found in week number 1 because they're using a trusted brand to talk with estate agents. So instantly they are trusted and they want to do business with them. But they had their whole month booked out within 48 hours of listing that property, because they're not listing it on a brand new website. They're not listing it on a brand new account on Airbnb. They're listing it on a proven and trusted account as a whole. As this business scales worldwide, we become more trusted. And as we get the message out there more as a collective, then more people see us, we get more outside of obscurity, and ultimately that has the ripple effect down to all of the franchisees. That is why I created this, and that is why it is a game changer and a powerful business that anybody can get involved with. I thank you for watching this 30-day series, and I hope that you will take action nonetheless. If you do want to get involved in the franchise model or explore it further, there is an application process. The link is in the description of this video, and it will take you to that application process. There's a video there which explains it in detail, how it all operates. And I would love for you to become a partner. No matter where you are in the world, we are opening up locations everywhere, and the strength in numbers is going to help us all build these empires out and help us chase down this huge vision that we all have within this business to take this worldwide and dominate the short-term rental game. I thank you so much for your time, for watching this playlist. Please subscribe, because we have an unbelievable playlist coming next, and you will be the first to get notified by hitting that bell notification.